Did you know that the mantis shrimp, a small marine crustacean, can see colors that are invisible to humans? This seemingly humble creature has one of the most extraordinary visual systems in the animal kingdom. Unlike humans, who have 3 types of color receptors in their eyes, the mantis shrimp boasts an astounding 16. This means they can perceive colors far beyond our human spectrum, including ultraviolet light, which is completely invisible to us. But how does this superpower help them? Well, in the vibrant, bustling world under the sea, being able to spot subtle color differences can mean the difference between finding a meal and becoming one. Their kaleidoscopic vision helps them identify prey and predators with uncanny accuracy, making them formidable hunters despite their small size. So next time you're feeling blue, remember, the mantis shrimp probably has you beat in the color spectrum. Ever wonder where the beautiful white sand beaches come from? You might be surprised to know that parrotfish are the unsung heroes behind this phenomenon. Diving deep into the heart of our vibrant oceans, we find the bustling coral reefs. Amidst the colorful spectacle, a peculiar creature stands out: the parrotfish, a vital player in an intriguing ecological drama. With their beak-like jaws, parrotfish munch on the hard coral, breaking it down into tiny fragments. This process not only provides the fish with nutrients, but also results in something quite extraordinary: sand. That's right, the excrement of parrotfish is actually sand. In a year, a single parrotfish can produce up to 1 ton of sand. Now multiply that by the millions of parrotfish inhabiting our oceans, and you get an idea of the scale of this sand production operation. This fascinating process is responsible for many of the world's pristine white sand beaches, from the Caribbean to the Maldives. But the role of parrotfish extends beyond beach creation. By feeding on the coral, they prevent it from overgrowing, maintaining the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Despite their seemingly destructive eating habits, parrotfish are indeed a vital part of the circle of life underwater. So, the next time you're building a sandcastle, remember to thank the parrotfish for their contribution. Ever heard of a bird that can't fly? Meet the kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand. This unique creature is an oddity in the bird world with its inability to take to the skies. Yet, it's not just its lack of flight that makes the kakapo so special. The kakapo is nocturnal, a night owl if you will, a habit that's quite unusual among parrots. While most of its feathered cousins are chatting up a storm in the daylight, the kakapo is catching some Z's, saving its energy for its nightly activities. It roams the forest floors under the cover of darkness, foraging for food and living its best life. Now here's a fun fact for you. The kakapo is one of the world's longest living birds, with a lifespan that can stretch up to 90 years. That's right, 90 years. Imagine all the things a kakapo must see in its lifetime. It's like the wise old sage of the bird kingdom, full of wisdom and stories. Sadly, the kakapo is a critically endangered species with only a handful left in the wild. But fear not, because conservation efforts are in full swing to help this charming bird. Dedicated teams are working tirelessly to protect the kakapo's habitat and increase its numbers through breeding programs. So while the kakapo might not win any flying contests, it certainly wins when it comes to living a long life. If you think these animal facts are mind-blowing, just wait until you hear what we've got in store for our next video. We dive into a world that's smaller, but no less fascinating. Brace yourselves for incredible insect facts that will amaze you. You think you know insects? Well, think again. We'll delve into the intriguing lives of ants, who are known to wage wars and enslave other ants. Did you know that some beetles can shoot boiling chemicals from their abdomen to fend off predators? Then there's the praying mantis, an insect that can turn its head 180 degrees to survey its surroundings, a rare trait in the insect world. And prepare to be amazed by the humble dragonfly, a creature that spends most of its life underwater, only to emerge and live for a few weeks as a stunning aerial acrobat. So, if you're intrigued by the weird and wonderful world of animals, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more mind-blowing facts.